Ready to unlock Aisensy's power for laser-focused campaigns that actually convert? First, head over to the Campaigns tab on your Aisensy dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Click that shiny Create Campaign button to start building your masterpiece. Give it a clear, descriptive name to keep things organized, like Summer Promo VIP Customers. Now, craft your message. Aisensy's editor lets you add personalization tags, a customer name, making each message feel special. Don't forget a clear call to action, like shop now and get 20% off. Next, target your audience. Aisensy lets you segment based on demographics, past purchases, even their engagement level with previous campaigns. Supercharge your success by getting the correct audience. Once your campaign is live, keep a close eye on the analytics dashboard. You'll see open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use this data to tweak your messaging and targeting for even better results. By mastering message design, audience targeting, and campaign analytics, you can transform your outreach efforts and achieve remarkable campaign performance with Aisensy. Subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks.